Now, old Deuteronomy, just before dawn, through a silence you feel you could cut with a knife, announces the cat who can now be reborn and come back to a different Jellicle life.
Memory, turn your face to the moonlight. Let your memory lead you. Open up, enter in. You will find there the meaning of what happiness is. Then your new life will begin. Memory, all alone in the moonlight, I can smile at the old days. I was beautiful then. I remember a time I knew what happiness was. Let the memory live again. Burnt out ends of smoky days, stale cold smell of morning. A street lamp dies, another night is over. Another day is dawning. Daylight, I must wait for the sunrise. I must think of a new life, and I mustn't give in. When the dawn comes, tonight will be a memory too, and a new day will begin. Touch me, it's so easy to leave me all alone with the memory of my days in the sun. If you touch me, you'll understand what happiness is. Look, a new day has begun. That's probably as good as it's ever going to get.